Okay, I think so all of you have joined. So, okay. So as I'm saying, just let me share the screen now. Okay. So here, as I'm saying that, if we are trying to know, if we want to know that whether my address keyword is present or not, so we can use this get keyword. We can use this get function so that it will be very easy to know whether whatever the keys I am trying to access actually, whether whatever the what the key for what we are going to want some output, if it is present or not. But if we are directing to print my dict at the line 30, that address directly, so it will showing us that there are some problem, no keyword of addresses is found. So this is a basic difference. So if we are very sure that the values is present, the keys are present there, then we can write to like line code of 30. But if we just want to make sure that whether the thing is actually present or not, then we can write something like 27 or 23. Look at now line number 23. I have write the similar line of code that is similar to line number 27, that is address dot get address, and I have mentioned the dot get age. And now here in the output section in the 13, that I am getting some output, means the keyword is present, and with respect to that keyword the value is also present. So at the same time the keyword and the value we are getting actually. So any more doubt here?
No, sir.
Okay, so I think no more doubts are there. So let all move to the program part. So the first program related to dictionary that is actually present in your syllabus or curriculum, as it is mentioning that, write the Python program, write a Python program to find the sum of all items in a dictionary. Write a Python program to find sum. Okay. Wait. Before that, let you people just create a dictionary and put some keys and values there. So what you people do, just write a Python program code. Write a Python program code to create a dictionary, to create a Python dictionary, name as, the name of the dictionary will be games. The name of the dictionary will be games, right? And the keys and the values, the key respectively for the dictionary game will be uh, A, B, C, D. These are my keys. A, B, C, D. These are my keys. And with respect to that, the values will be cricket, football, tennis, and cycling. Am I clear? What is my question or what is my program? Have all of you understand that what I am trying to say?
So what were your values for ABCD?
Cricket, football, tennis, and cycling. Okay, so when you are done with the code, I tell you people to do a simple code that to make a dictionary with the name of game. The name of the dictionary will be game, and the values or the key values will be ABCD. The keys will be ABCD, and respect to the key ABCD, the values will be cricket, football, tennis, and cycling. So first of all, you need to make this dictionary. So when you are done with the making of the dictionary, just tell me or raise your hand, then I am going to check the code one by
Done,
one.
sir.
Yes, Shubham, say. Shubham, you want to say anything?
So it's done, sir.
Okay, okay, just wait, raise your hand, no issue. I will give chance to all of you so that all can perform and then I can check each and every one code, right? So when you are done, just raise your hand. To raise your hand and then I am going to start one by one. Shubham, you can raise your hand. And list all the person do raise your hand and then I'm going to check the code. Just give me I'm giving you people 1 or 2 minutes for that. So 3 people have raised their hand. So what about the problem of Afrin and Dolly? Afrin and Dolly, what are the problem you are facing?
Sir, I'm trying to do it.
Okay, it is a very easy, just one line. I think it will take much time. Okay, you can try, Dolly. Till that time, I am going to check the code for Shubham. Shubham, I will give you the permission. Just wait. Okay, the screen sharing permission is given. Show me the code.
Is it not, sir?
No, Shubham, it is not visible. Okay, it is visible yet. Okay. Print. My, my, okay. Okay, so you have given the name as per your name. I have told you to give the name of games. The dictionary name will be game. Okay,
Oh,
no
sorry,
issue.
sir.
No issue, no issue, no issue, no issue. No need to change.
Just
No need to change.
done, sir.
Okay, fine. So ABCD, you have dot game dot get B. Okay. Okay, fine. Okay, thank you, Shubham. Yeah, it is okay. No issue. So next for Pallavi. Okay. Okay. Print games and you are getting directly all the values. Okay, fine. Okay, no issue. Thank you, Pallavi. Next for Nishu. Okay, print games A, games dot get D, games dot get E. Can you run the code, Nishu? Okay. Fine. None. It is showing. Wait a minute, Nishu. Just slide the output window a little bit to the right. A, B, C, A, D. A is for, first of all, print games means it will show all the values. A means the cricket. D means the cycling. E is nothing. Okay. Okay, just show me the output. The value of E will be none. A and D. Cricket, cycling. Okay. 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 Fine. Thank you, Nishu. Next for Afrin. Next for Afrin. Okay. Okay, fine.
Suitable है.
Run the code. Okay, fine. Okay, Afrin. Next, the last, Dolly. Okay.
Sir, it interchanged its place. B comes first and after A.
Just close the output section. Why it have interchanged? I don't think so. Dolly, you have mentioned the game in the first line. I don't think it is needed. You can cut it out. Okay. Save and run the code again. So let me check what it is. A, cricket. B, football. C, okay. It is actually showing, but it is actually changing its orientation. Should not be. Why it is actually? I don't know. Okay, just try to run one single key for A particularly. Let me check what will be the output. Run the code for only showing the key value of A. No, dict will not be there.
Sir, what will be the code for
What is
this line?
what is the dictionary you have created?
Game. Oh, yes.
I don't think it will work. Just write print. Just write print. Then in the first bracket game. In the first bracket game. Uh, just only one bracket. No need to just clear all the things. Just let the print be there and clear all the things first. Game dot get b, whatever you have written, just delete it. Okay, now giving the first bracket game. Now the third bracket, single inverted comma, the value A. single inverted comma again, close the third bracket, close the first bracket. Now run the particular total. For the value of A, it is showing cricket. But why it is changing its orientation? I don't know.
So, can I explain?
Yes, Nishu, you can.
So, एक्चुअली अकॉर्डिंग टू पाइथन वर्जन 3.7 जो डिक्शनरी है वो ऑर्डर्ड वे में था, बट अकॉर्डिंग टू पाइथन 3.6 एंड अर्लियर वर्जन dictionaries are unordered. That's why the order are changed. Python version के according.
So it is depending on Python version. Okay.
Yes, sir. अगर लोग 3.7 यूज करें या उससे फर्दर तो ऑर्डर्ड होता डिक्शनरी, बट उससे अर्लियर प्रीवियस में अनऑर्डर्ड है डिक्शनरी.
Okay. Okay. So all of you are doing in 3.7, but I think Dolly is doing in 3.5.
Oh, that's fine.
Okay. 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 No issue on that. Okay, fine. So the thing is actually happening. That it is actually okay. So all of you is now can actually make a dictionary. How to make a dictionary? How to access a dictionary, or how to get the value from the dictionary. So you people have learned it. Now our program. So the program that is given in your syllabus, that is write a Python program to find the sum of all items in a dictionary. Write a Python program to find sum of all items in a dictionary. My question is that write a Python program to find the sum of all items in a dictionary. So am I clear, or my question is clear to you?
So what do you mean by sum? As in we are having cricket, cycling, tennis. So what will be the sum?
Now I am saying that the question is write a Python program to find the sum of all items in a dictionary. Now, when it is saying sum means the value. There are some values with respect to keys. So suppose you have created a dictionary that is something ABCD, whatever the dictionary name you people want to give, you can. And inside that particular dictionary, there will be 3 or 4 keys, just like A, B, C, D. Okay, fine. A, B, C, D. There are 4 keys are present. And for each key, there will be some numerical values. There will be some numerical values. According to A, it will be 100, B, 200, whatever the values you want to put. And then you need to make a sum of those particular values. You need to make a sum of those particular values or particular keys. Okay. So now I think it is clear to people that what you people need to do. You people need to sum of all the key values inside a dictionary.
So you want us to change the value of ABCD from that cycling, tennis to numbers?
Yeah, right.
Okay.
Sir,
Yes. So
sir, I haven't got the question. Can you please repeat?
the question is that write a Python program to print the sum of all the key values inside the dictionary.
The value will be assigned by user only.
Value will be assigned by you. Okay, as you have assigned in the previous one in the game like A, B, C, D, and there are some values of A like cricket, football, cycling, this type of. So here in the case of A, B, C, D, you need to put some numeric values.
Okay, sir. Take integer value, right?
And then you need to do a sum operation or addition operation on that. Okay, so I think it will take 4-5 minutes maximum to solve this particular code. So when you are done, you can raise your hand. So I can see that Nishu have already raised her hand. So I will wait for the other participant so that all can do that.
So one question, we just have to calculate the values of all the keys. Like we don't have to calculate the key and value, only the values of all the keys. So you got me?
Yes, Afrin, say what you are trying to say.
Sir, I'm just having one confusion.
Yeah.
Like we have to calculate the key plus the value it is having, or only the value of every key?
Only the value of every key.
Okay, okay, sir.
Means I let me clear that if there are 4 keys A, B, C, D, and every key has some values, so we need to calculate the total of the keys, just A plus P plus P plus D. So A, B, C, D, the sum of A, B, C, D, the values of the A, B, C, D. So I can see that Nishu and Shubham have done it already. I will wait for Dolly, Shubha, Pallavi, and Afrin. Okay, so I can see that all the participants have completed. So starting with Nishu. Okay, so Nishu, you have created a dictionary of games and A, B, C, D, there are 4 values and equal to games dot values print sum of n. Okay, oh, run the code. Wow, 121. Okay, so you have choose 2 methods. One is the print of sum n, and then the print of games plus A plus games of B plus games of C plus games of D. 2 methods you have added here. Okay, fine. Okay, Nishu, thanks. Next for Shubham.
Is it visible, sir?
Yeah, it is visible. Okay, I can get it. And input, you are taking the values from the user, right? No issue. Okay, okay, you can run the code.
Yeah. First input is 5, then 6, then 4, and 20. It will get
6, 4, 10, 30, 35. Okay. That is something very good type of coding. Actually, you have taken the input from the user. So it is appreciated. Thank you, Shubham. Next for Afrin. Afrin. Afrin, are you there? I am not getting any type of response from your side. Okay, moving for Dolly. Okay, sum equal to A and B. You have created a dictionary of sum, int of sum, the values. Okay, fine. Okay, good. Okay, so all of you have done it. So Pallavi, any doubt? Pallavi,
Sir, I am not able to do.
so you are not able to. So I would like to request Shubham to show your code and explain the code, how you are doing the thing, so that Pallavi and other can understand the process.
Okay, sir. Simply I have taken your game dictionary. Is it audible and visible, sir?
Yeah, it is perfectly fine.
I have taken a dictionary name game, and in that dictionary I have taken the keys are A, B, C, and D, and then the values I am taking from the user. Like I have given here 5 for the first input, and 6 is the key value, is the value of key of B, that is, and this is the third one. Then looks like this input is 20. I'm taking simply sum. I'm adding all the values from the dictionary, like we call earlier in the that program, game A, then plus game B, then plus game C, then game B, and just printing the sum. I have taken just, this is not required. Take the time of the dictionary.
Okay. So thank you, Shubham. Don't disconnect. Just stay with us. So Pallavi, if you have any doubt, you can ask still if you have any doubt.
No, sir, no doubt. I'm trying once.
Okay, so I am giving you the time. You can take it. You can have some time. You run the code and show me the output, and then we are going to move for the next program. We will just wait for some time till Pallavi complete this particular code, and then we are going to move for the next program. Okay, rest of the participant can lower your hand. No need to raise because you people have done it. Okay, till Pallavi is completing this particular code, let us discuss our next program. Our next program is that write a Python program to merge two dictionaries. Write a Python program to merge two dictionaries. So here, first, what we need to do, we need to create two separate dictionaries. And then we need to merge the particular two dictionaries. We need to merge the particular two dictionaries, right? So the next program is that write a Python program to merge two dictionaries, and you people need to create two separate dictionaries taking the keys and values. You can take any key value, no issue on that. and you need to merge that particular two dictionaries. Okay, so think on that particular problem and start doing your code who have already finished the previous program.
So are you done with checking of previous question? Like
Yeah.
I went out. I was there.
Yes, Afrin, I have called your name several times, but no response is coming from your side.
So actually I got outside. I just actually somebody called me.
Show me your code.
Okay.
Okay, run the code.
So visible?
Yes, it is visible. Okay, fine. Okay, Afrin. So you can go for the next code. And Pallavi, let me know when you have finished your code, so I can check your code also.
Sir, I am not able to find out the problem. What is
So,
happening? It is not running.
okay,
now.
okay. So let us first resolve this particular problem. Let your classmates help you. You can show your screen, you can share your screen, and your friend will help you out to solve this particular problem. So it will be a discussing session, and I think it will be very beneficial. So the people, Dolly, Nishu, Shubham, and Afrin, just let Pallavi, you people help Pallavi to solve this particular, that where the problem is, why it is not happening.
Actually, 100,
Okay.
200, it is
Yeah, yes.
so
Don't
put the
Actually these are in brackets.
character.
don't
That's
put
why.
the semicolon inverted comma there. You have mentioned the values
Inverted comma.
100, 200 in the inverted commas. Don't put the values there. Just write the values normally. Okay. Ticked or values. Now what will be the error? Ticked or values. Okay. So now there is another error. So what we can do now? Sum equal to dict dot values plus dict dot values b c d a b c d. You have mentioned it. Okay. So now what? Let Pallavi means help Pallavi to resolve this. Shubham, Nishu.
Actually, अगर if Pallavi writes simply dict dot values, then no need to write all the line.
I think we can simply write the dict and then
Simply
the
dict dot values. It's enough.
uh,
Yeah. And then also parenthesis.
here the values are showing. So the sum is not
Yeah.
happening.
तो क्योंकि सर पल्लवी सम नहीं किए वैल्यूज को.
हाँ तो क्या करना है उसको शॉर्ट आउट करने के लिए बोलूं.
So she can simply write dict and then bracket.
सर जो सम है उसमें जो वैल्यू कलेक्ट हो गया उसको उसको सम करना पड़ेगा. एक फंक्शन होता है सम, वो उसका हेल्प ले सकती है.
Okay, wait. Nishu, write your solution in the chat box that what Pallavi need to write in the code. Similarly, Dolly,
Okay.
Shubham, and Afrin, just write the solution what she can do here in the chat box so that she can take it and put it there. Write the solution in the chat box. Okay. Pallavi, you can copy the code of Afrin, or you can copy the code of Nishus, anything. Nishu, you have write s equal to dict dot values. So while Pallavi print some s. Okay. Okay. So here we are getting the solution.
Yes, sir. Now it's printed.
Also, Afrin have shared a code. You can also take it as a reference also. So there are 2 or 3 several options are there. So you can choose anything. Okay. And just remember that when you are trying to mention some key values, means key and the values, if you are mentioning an alphabet, then it should be in the inverted comma. But when you are mentioning some numbers, don't put it inside the inverted commas. Okay. Okay, fine. Okay, so now the thing is, it is sorted out. So now we are moving for the next program, that is the Python program to merge 2 dictionaries. Write a Python program to merge 2 dictionaries. So there will be 2 values, means 2 dictionaries you need to create first, and then you need to merge that 2 dictionaries. You need to merge that 2 dictionaries. So think on that and find a solution for this particular problem. And as soon as the link get disconnected, do rejoin again with the same link. Okay, because it is very less than 1 minute, so it can disconnect anytime. So you can reconnect with the link again, and we are going to solve there. Okay.